Okay. What's one thing about modern women? One thing about modern women that you don't like?
I don't see a lot of focus on like core values. I think that a lot of modern women confuse success with happiness, and they don't understand. And a lot of women aren't willing to admit, what naturally makes them happy and feel naturally comfortable. I think that a lot of women kind of fight against that because of the notion of weakness or being put in a box or inequality.
Mm-hmm.
But at the end of the day, it's just like men thrive at what men do, and only that. And we're okay with that. We can accept that. Accept the fact that we don't need to be just as good a mothers as a mother. We don't need to be just as good a cook as a wife. It's just all about being the best at what makes us comfortable as us